Deleting classes in QuickBooks Online can feel time-consuming during cleanup, reporting fixes, or when you are trying to remove unused or duplicate class entries. If you need to clean up your class list, doing it one by one takes time and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I will show you how to delete classes in bulk from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You can filter the classes you want, review them, and remove them in one step instead of opening each class manually. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now, inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection, and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in to SaasAnt Transactions Online and connecting it to your QuickBooks company, go to Delete. You will see two options, Delete by searching and Delete by reference. Delete by searching helps you filter and find records using conditions, while Delete by reference lets you directly remove specific entries if you already know them. Choose Delete by searching. On the filter screen, select Classes as the transaction type. Next, choose your date type, created date or last updated date based on what you want to filter, and set your date range to narrow down the class records. Click Search to load the results. SaasAnt will display the matching classes in a table. Review the results carefully and select the classes you want to delete. You can select multiple classes at once. Before deleting, download a backup of the selected records in CSV or Excel format. Click Delete. You will see a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to delete the selected records. Click OK to proceed. SaasAnt will process the deletion and show the result summary. Deleted data will remain available for download for the next 2 days, so you can download a copy if needed. To verify the results, go back to QuickBooks Online. Open your class list and confirm that the selected classes are no longer active. That is how you can delete classes in bulk using SaasAnt instead of handling them one by one. Start with the free trial and use it during your next cleanup or reporting adjustment.